So today we will prove that angle 1 will equal to angle 3 and angle 2 equals to angle 4. First thing that I want to do is to draw a perpendicular line to these two parallel lines. So this will be a first line, this will be second line. So on the left side we have a right triangle. So that means we can say that sine of this angle will equal to, as we know, cosθ, which is adjacent, let's call this height, and same for this. So it will be adjacent over hypotenuse, which I described as A, which is this one, this line. And for angle 1 here, because this is right triangle 2. So as you can see, sine of angle 3 will equal to the same value, sine of angle 1 equal to the same value. To find angle itself, we take inverse of sine and of this relation that we have here. As you can see, for angle 3, we have same relation, inverse sine of hypotenuse over adjacent. This means that angle 1 equals angle 3. And from here, we easily can say that angle 4 equals to angle 2. So what will be this angle? Angle 3 plus angle 2. This is of course 180 degrees. But if we want to know the value of angle 2, we take 180 degrees minus angle 3, we have angle 2. Same for angle 1. 180 degrees minus angle 1 equals to angle 4. But we have 180 degrees, same value. We have same value here. So same value minus same value, here same value minus same value will equal to one value. So that means angle 2 equals angle 4.